Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, Reggae Boyz head coach Hallgrimsson says the players must be commended for their display in the first round of the CONCACAF Gold Cup following their qualification to the quarter-finals of the competition on Sunday. The Jamaicans slammed St. Kitts and Nevis 5-0 in their final Group A match in California. The Reggae Boyz had 4 different goal scorers and finished the group stage with 10 goals, the best return for the nation in the tournament's history. Hallgrimsson, who is yet to lose a competitive match as head coach from 4 outings, said the conditions played a part in the team's overall performance.
I'm pleased with the attitude of the players for 90 minutes in this game. Displeasing, I thought we started quite slow, but given that it was a real baking oven inside the stadium, so it's easy to sit on the bench and scream at the players and say run, run, run. I was pleased with the character of the team and the spirit, and that they went on and kept on until the end of the match.
The Reggae Boyz will face either Guadeloupe, Guatemala or Canada in their knockout game on Sunday. Guadeloupe will face Guatemala while Canada play Cuba on Tuesday in the final set of Group D matches. Both Guadeloupe and Guatemala have 4 points, with Guadeloupe having a superior goal difference, while Canada are third on 2 points. Former Premier League campaigners Constant Spring were held to a 1-1 draw by Brownstown FC in their first leg CASAFA Championship semi-final at the Constant Spring Field on Sunday. Orville Mullings was on the score sheet for the hosts, while Gavin Roberts was on target for the visitors. In the first leg Major League semi-final, Shortwood United, courtesy of a strike from Rajiv Clark, earned a 1-0 win over Olympic Gardens. On Saturday, Boys Town and Barbican battled to a 1-1 draw in the other championship first leg semi-final, while Jamaica Defence Force hold a 2-1 lead over Marvel Huenden in the Major League semi-final. Jamaica led hosts El Salvador 1-0 at sports time in their bronze medal encounter in badminton at the Central American and Caribbean CAC Games. The team is looking to add to the nation's 2 silver and 2 bronze medals so far at the Games, being jointly hosted by the Dominican Republic. The country's women's hockey team will vie for 5th place against Trinidad and Tobago on Wednesday, following their 2-0 penalty win over Bermuda earlier this morning. Meanwhile, Jamaica's Sunshine Girls will begin their pursuit for gold in the netball competition, which gets going later this afternoon. They'll take on Caribbean neighbours Barbados. In football, the Reggae Girls, who are out of contention for a medal following a draw and a defeat, take on group leaders Mexico. At 1996 champions, Sri Lanka are into the 50-over World Cup main stage after their emphatic 9-wicket win over hosts Zimbabwe on Sunday in their Super 6 matchup in Bulawayo. Zimbabwe were rolled over for 165 in 32.2 overs after being sent to bat. Man of the match, Mahesh Theekshana, bagged 4 for 25, while Dilshan Madushakna supported with 3 for 15. The Sri Lankans then romped to victory at 169 for 1 in 33.1 overs with an unbeaten 101 from opener Pathum Nisanka. Zimbabwe can advance to the 10-team World Cup should they defeat Scotland in their final Super 6 clash. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.